Good afternoon, everyone. Gina here, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a really fun video. I've actually teamed up with Christina Coupons with You, and we are collaborating on a video sharing with you guys how we get ready for our CVS couponing trips. So Christina, she does some couponing at CVS, she does couponing at Walmart, she also does some Dollar Tree videos, but what I've really been enjoying about her channel since the new year is she's been putting out more educational videos. So she's been teaching you guys what to expect when couponing, how to start couponing. She also does CVS upcoming deals. She does breakdowns for you guys. So all around, her channel is absolutely fantastic. So definitely go and check her out. If you guys are not subscribed to her already, definitely go and head to her channel, subscribe to her channel, and let her know that I sent you. And if you are new to my channel from Christina's channel, hi, my name is Gina Schweppe. I do similar couponing content like Christina. I do CVS, I do Target. I've recently started doing Walmart. So those are the three main stores that I typically coupon at, but then I like to throw in like product reviews of some of the items that we get from couponing. I love Stitch Fix, so I do Stitch Fix unboxings. I love beauty. I do all sorts of stuff. I also do a day in the life. I'm a mom of 3, so I like to vlog my adventures as being a mom as well. So there's so many things that I put out on my channel. So if you like a wide variety of content, then you will definitely enjoy my channel. So please consider subscribing if you are new. So let's just go ahead and talk about what you guys are obviously here for. And that's talking about how I get ready for CVS couponing. So the very first thing that I do, normally when I'm getting ready for my couponing week, I will hop onto iHeartCVS.com, and usually that site has the ad pretty far in advance. We currently have the ad for next week's deals, but I don't get that too far ahead of myself. I will start planning out my deals around Tuesday or Wednesday of the couponing week starting that Sunday. I never like to get too ahead of myself. I will never go a week ahead because it just kind of overwhelms me. So I just stick to the current sales cycle, and then I will look at the deals starting from the next sales cycle a few days before the deals start, if that makes sense. So I haven't even looked at the ad for the week of next week. I haven't even started looking at those deals because I focus on the week that I'm in plus a few days ahead. So that's what I'll do first, is I will go through the ad online, and I will make a running list of everything that I think is a good deal. So that's what I start out first, is I'll just make the list to see what I think is a good deal. So I keep all of my CVS related coupons, my CRTs, I keep my extra care bucks, I keep all of that in this pouch right here. So I will literally go through this pouch, go through every single physical coupon I have, go through every printable coupon I have, and I'll see if I have any coupons or CRTs that will match up for the deals that I think are good ones. So I'll add those coupons onto my list. And then the next thing I'll do is I'll go online and I will go to the Sunday coupon preview, so you can preview what coupons are set to come for that next Sunday. So usually that preview is out around Wednesday. Usually whenever Designer Jen posts her video, she'll do a video of coupon previews. Once she posts her video, then I know I can go ahead and hop on the site and look at the preview. Then I'll look to see if we're getting any coupons for any of the items that are on my list. So if there are coupons coming, then I'll just go ahead and write that in my notes. As you can see, I just use notebooks. I just use these Dollar Tree notebooks, and I literally will just write down everything. And then I will go ahead and put the corresponding coupons and whatnot. So I just have a running list on my notebook. So once I've seen the coupons I have, once I've gone to the couponpreview.com, then I will hop onto coupons.com. I'll go and look to see what coupons we have available to print, and if there are any coupons that line up with any of the deals that I wrote down, then I'll go ahead and print those coupons. Next step is to go through the rebate app. So I will go through Ibotta, I will go through Savings Star, and then I will also go through Fetch Rewards to see if there are any rebates that I can also add to my breakdowns for additional savings. You guys, when it comes to couponing and finding deals, it's like a so I will go ahead and do my coupons in order of transactions. So a lot of times what I'll do is I'll take a little bit of notebook paper and I'll just fold it in half, and then I'll put the coupons that correspond to that transaction in a little folded over paper so that it doesn't fall out or get mixed up and jumbled around in my ginormous purse. So I will go ahead and just add all of my coupons in order of their transactions, and that's just the best way that I can just streamline the whole entire process when I get up to the register, so I'm not confused. I'll have a little checklist of everything that I'm supposed to be using. And then along with the paper that I will fold all the coupons in, I will have a written breakdown of what that transaction is supposed to look like. So what coupons I should use, how much I should be paying, what extra care bucks I should be paying with, how many extra care bucks I should get back, all of that stuff. So all of that information is in the folded paper with all the coupons and what transaction number it is. So depending on what day that I coupon, sometimes I'll coupon on Saturday nights, sometimes I'll coupon on Sunday morning. So if I coupon on Saturday night, obviously I can't hop on coupons.com and see what is available to print. I don't know what the new CRTs are. But if I'm couponing on Sunday morning, then I will make sure to hop on coupons.com before I leave the house. And then I will print out my new CRTs for the week. And the new CRTs that I get that print on Sundays, if I coupon on Sundays, are just bonus savings in that particular week for me. So I don't wait until Sunday to make my breakdowns to see what CRTs I get, because it's different for everyone. So I just go off of what I have few days prior to planning out my coupon trip, if that makes any sense. Because a lot of times during the weeks, I'll get the same CRTs. Like I'll get ones for body wash, I'll get ones for hair care, makeup, all of that stuff. So the extra CRTs that I get are just bonus. But even if I don't coupon for that week, I make sure I print out my CRTs, because if I'm not going to use them for that current sale week, then most likely I'm going to use them for the next sale week. So yeah, that's my process when it comes to CVS couponing. And then once I get into my car, if there are any rebates I need to take advantage of, I redeem them in the car. I don't get myself home to give myself time to forget, because oftentimes if I don't redeem my rebates right away, I will completely forget about it. So I don't even bother with that anymore. I will either submit my rebates in store or I will do it in the car. So that is my process when it comes to CVS couponing. It's definitely a lot of work, but the process is so much fun for me. I love hopping on to the new ad and just picking apart the ad and finding, you know, the hidden gems of the week. It's so much fun. And that's why I still do these videos, is because I find it fun to get into CVS and see what I can find. So if there's anything that I can recommend to you guys for you to take away from this video, is at least have some sort of compartment in your purse that you keep all of your CVS stuff. That is going to be one of the easiest things to help your couponing at CVS, is just having everything in one spot where you know to go to, and it's not scattered all over the place. Because I've been one of those couponers where I've had coupons all over the place. I've left coupons places. If I know it's in a specific pouch and that's all I need to take with me, then I'm good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope this motivates you guys to start the couponing week at CVS. And don't forget to check out Christina's channel to see how she gets ready for her couponing trips, and make sure you go and subscribe to her channel. If you are new to Christina's channel, make sure you go and show her some love and subscribe to her. And if you're new to my channel and you enjoyed this video, then consider subscribing to my channel and sticking around. So I will see you guys tomorrow for a CVS couponing haul and a Target in-store video. So I will talk to you guys all later. Bye.